Ever pondered about the terrifying incidents that can occur in the vast expanse of space? Space, the infinite and mysterious frontier, has a darker side that's filled with unexpected dangers and chilling incidents. Today, we delve into the topic of 10 terrifying space incidents. What exactly is a space incident, you might ask? Well, it refers to any event or occurrence in space that jeopardizes the lives of astronauts, the integrity of spacecraft, or the completion of missions. These can range from technical malfunctions to natural hazards, all of which can turn a routine space mission into a nightmare. The unpredictability and harshness of space make these incidents not just daunting, but downright terrifying. Why terrifying? Imagine being thousands of miles away from Earth, surrounded by the deadly vacuum of space, with no immediate help available. It's in these extreme scenarios that the true terror of space incidents comes to light. Join us as we count down from the least to the most terrifying space incidents. Starting the countdown with the 10th incident, we have the Soyuz 11 tragedy. Launched by the Soviet Union in June of 1971, Soyuz 11 was set on an ambitious mission to board the world's first space station, Salyut 1. This mission, however, took a tragic turn when a cabin vent valve failure occurred during the spacecraft's descent back to Earth. The rapid depressurization led to the unfortunate demise of 3 brave cosmonauts: Georgy Dobrovolsky, Viktor Patsayev, and Vladislav Volkov. This incident sent shockwaves through the global space community. The Soyuz spacecraft underwent significant redesigning to ensure the safety of future space travelers. It became mandatory for all astronauts to wear pressurized suits during launch, in-space travel, and re-entry. The Soyuz 11 tragedy served as a stark reminder of the inherent risks involved in space exploration. This incident marked the only human deaths in space, a stark reminder of the perils of space exploration. At number 9, we have the Apollo 13 near disaster. Our tale takes us back to April 1970, when the third manned mission intended to land on the moon was launched. Apollo 13, under the command of veteran astronaut Jim Lovell, was cruising smoothly towards the moon when disaster struck. An oxygen tank in the service module exploded, causing a critical failure of the spacecraft's systems. Suddenly, the crew was in a fight for survival, floating 200,000 miles from Earth. With ingenuity, resourcefulness, and sheer determination, the astronauts and ground control worked tirelessly to improvise a solution. They converted their lunar module, a vehicle intended to land on the moon, into a lifeboat. Against all odds, Apollo 13 made a perilous but successful return to Earth, splashing down in the Pacific Ocean. This incident, while terrifying, showcased the ingenuity and resilience of humanity in the face of adversity. 8th on our list is the Mir collision. The Mir was a Russian space station, a marvel of human engineering orbiting the Earth from 1986 to 2001. But even the most sophisticated creations aren't immune to accidents. In 1997, during a docking exercise, the unmanned Progress supply ship crashed into Mir. The collision wasn't catastrophic, but it was enough to cause a breach in the station's hull, depressurizing the Spectre module. The crew had to act quickly, sealing off the damaged module to prevent further air loss. This incident marked the first time a space station had been seriously damaged while in orbit. The crew spent the following weeks conducting difficult and risky repairs. But even faced with such a daunting challenge, they persevered. Despite the terrifying incident, Mir continued to serve as a symbol of international cooperation in space. 7th on our countdown is the Columbia disaster. The Space Shuttle Columbia, a symbol of human ingenuity and our unending quest for knowledge, embarked on a fateful mission in early 2003. The crew, a diverse group of 7 astronauts, were keen on pushing the boundaries of our understanding of the universe. However, their journey came to a tragic halt upon their return home. The Columbia disintegrated upon re-entry into Earth's atmosphere, turning a moment of anticipated celebration into an instant of profound grief. The world watched in shock as all 7 brave souls perished. This catastrophe was not just a loss of human life, but it also dealt a heavy blow to the Space Shuttle program. The tragic incident prompted NASA to reevaluate the risks associated with space travel and implement stringent safety measures. It marked a turning point in space exploration, emphasizing the necessity for utmost caution. The Columbia disaster was a grave reminder of the risks involved in space travel. 6th on our list is the Challenger disaster. It was January of 1986, an era of optimism and technological progress. The Challenger, a space shuttle, was all set to embark on its 10th mission. This mission was special, as it included Krista McAuliffe, a school teacher who would have been the first civilian in space. However, just 73 seconds after launch, the world watched in horror as the Challenger exploded into a fiery ball of smoke and debris. All 7 crew members, including McAuliffe, perished in the catastrophe. The Challenger disaster sent shockwaves through the world and the space community. It was a stark reminder of the risks associated with space travel. The shuttle program was temporarily grounded, and the incident led to significant changes in the design and operation of future space missions. The Challenger disaster underscored the inherent dangers of space exploration. Fifth on our countdown is the Apollo 1 fire. This incident is a chilling chapter in the history of space exploration. The Apollo 1 mission, slated for a February 1967 launch, was the inaugural manned flight of NASA's Apollo program, aiming to land humans on the moon. However, a tragic event unfolded during a routine launch pad test on January 27. A cabin fire, fueled by the spacecraft's pure oxygen atmosphere, erupted inside the command module. The fire claimed the lives of all 3 astronauts aboard: Command Pilot Virgil Gus Grissom, Senior Pilot Ed White, and Pilot Roger B. Chaffee. NASA's meticulous investigation into this catastrophe led to significant design and engineering modifications in subsequent Apollo missions, including the use of a nitrogen-oxygen mix at launch, and a redesigned hatch that could open quickly in case of emergency. This incident served as a tragic reminder of the hazards of space travel. These incidents serve as stark reminders of the dangers inherent in space exploration. As we journey back through these 10 terrifying moments in space history, we see the inherent risks and challenges that come with venturing into the great unknown. We began with the chilling tale of the Soyuz 11 tragedy, where 3 brave cosmonauts lost their lives due to a cabin vent valve failure. This incident shook the world and highlighted the importance of thorough pre-flight checks and the necessity of redundancy in spacecraft design. Next, we revisited the Apollo 13 near disaster, a testament to human ingenuity and resilience in the face of adversity. This incident taught us the value of problem-solving under pressure, and the importance of contingency planning. We then delved into the Mir collision, a stark example of the dangers of orbital debris and the importance of precision in space travel. This incident underscored the need for meticulous planning and preparation. Our journey continued with the Columbia disaster, a painful reminder of the risks associated with re-entry into Earth's atmosphere. This tragic incident led to significant advancements in spacecraft design and safety protocols. The Challenger disaster, a heartbreaking event witnessed by millions, taught us the importance of rigorous testing and not overlooking any potential issues, no matter how minor they may seem. And finally, we reflected on the Apollo 1 fire, an incident that highlighted the need for comprehensive safety measures and the importance of constantly re-evaluating and updating these measures. Each of these incidents has shaped the future of space exploration in its own way, leading to advancements and improvements that have made space travel safer and more efficient. They remind us that with every step we take into the cosmos, we carry with us the lessons learned from those who have gone before us. As we continue to explore the cosmos, we must always remember the risks and sacrifices made by those who have gone before us.